Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 70 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant and enter voice match. Enable Hey Google, tap more, agree, and now let's try it out. Hey Google, now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Sunny, with a high of 26 and a low of 11.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.